Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will delve into the individual learning styles proposed by FELDER and SILVERMAN. These learning styles shed light on how different individuals prefer to process and understand information. So, let's get started. According to FELDER and SILVERMAN, individuals can be classified into different learner types based on their preferred learning styles. These styles are categorized as visual, auditory, intuitive, deductive, activity, reflectivity, sequential, global, and inductive. Visual learners prefer to process information using pictures, diagrams, and demonstrations. They rely on visual aids to enhance their understanding and retention of knowledge. Visual learners often benefit from seeing information in a visual format. Auditory learners, on the other hand, prefer learning through words and sounds. They excel in activities that involve listening, such as lectures, discussions, and audio recordings. Auditory learners have a strong ability to retain information through auditory cues. Intuitive learners are inclined towards gaining insights and understanding through real-life cases and examples. They seek connections and patterns in information and are skilled at applying these insights to solve problems. Deductive learners prefer to approach learning from theory to individual facts. They excel in understanding overarching concepts and theories before delving into specific details. Deductive learners focus on the big picture and then analyze the components. Activity learners thrive when they are physically engaged or involved in discussions. They learn best through hands-on experiences, role-playing, and group activities. Activity learners benefit from actively participating in the learning process. Reflective learners prefer to take the time to reflect on their own thoughts and observations. They think deeply about the information they encounter and find meaning through introspection. Reflective learners require quiet and solitude to process information effectively. Sequential learners prefer a step-by-step approach in their learning. They thrive when information is presented in a logical and ordered manner. Sequential learners appreciate well-structured lessons that build upon previous knowledge. Global learners, on the other hand, take a holistic approach to learning. They prefer wide-ranging examples and contexts to grasp the overall concept. Global learners tend to see the big picture first before delving into the details. Lastly, inductive learners prefer to learn from specific facts to generalizations. They gather information, identify patterns, and then draw conclusions. Inductive learners excel in reasoning and problem-solving by synthesizing information. Understanding individual learning styles can greatly enhance the learning experience for both students and educators. By catering to various learning preferences, educators can create diverse and inclusive learning environments that accommodate the needs of all learners. It's important to note that individuals often have a combination of learning styles, with one or two styles being more dominant. Recognizing and accommodating these learning preferences can lead to more effective and engaging learning experiences. And that concludes our exploration of the individual learning styles proposed by FELDER and SILVERMAN. We hope this information helps you understand and appreciate the diverse ways in which individuals process and absorb information. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.